In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Smartsheet effectively. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or have been using it for a while, tagging colleagues is an essential tool that enhances collaboration and communication. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the comment section. Begin by navigating to the row or the exact sheet where you need to add a comment. This is important because choosing the right location ensures that your comment is relevant and accessible to those who need to see it. Once there, look for the comments icon. It usually resembles a speech bubble, or you might see it as an Add Comment button. Clicking it brings up a text box where you can write your message. Now that the comment section is open, you can start writing your comment. Here's where the magic happens. Use the symbol in your comment text box. This symbol is the key to tagging someone. Immediately after typing the symbol, continue by typing in the person's name or their email address. Be sure to spell their name correctly for Smartsheet to recognize and match it appropriately. As you type, Smartsheet will assist you by displaying a list of matching contacts. This is a handy feature that ensures you tag the right person, especially in larger teams where people may have similar names. Carefully review the list and click on the correct person to tag them. This step is critical because a tag basically acts as a notification, pulling the tagged user's attention directly to your comment when they next check their Smartsheet notifications. With the person tagged, continue by writing whatever comment or message you need to impart. Be clear and concise, ensuring that your message is understandable and serves its intended purpose. Once you've finished drafting your comment, you're almost done. The last step is to post the comment. Simply click the Post button, and your comment, with the tagged person included, will be live in Smartsheet. By posting, you notify the tagged individual directly, which can lead to quicker responses and more efficient collaboration. This tagging method is an excellent way to streamline communication tasks within your team, ensuring that the right people are constantly in the loop regarding progress, updates, or queries. And that's it. Tagging someone in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that, once mastered, significantly enhances how your team communicates within Smartsheet. Remember, using the comment and tagging functions effectively can keep everyone aligned and informed, which is essential for any collaborative workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.